Welcome to MATLAB. Today, you're on your journey to find a pattern and hence a formula for the perimeter and area of rectangles and squares. Before we get started, there are a few terms we need to note. A rectangle is a quadrilateral in which every vertex angle is a right angle. Remember, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. A square is a rectangle whose edges are all equal. That is, the edges are of the same length. The perimeter of a two-dimensional shape is the total distance around the edges defining the outline of that shape. The area of a surface is a measure of how much two-dimensional space is covered by that surface. Today, you're provided with a lab observation sheet and a square grid. If you look carefully at the square grid, the measure of each side of a square is 1 centimeter and the area of any square is 1 centimeter square. Now, take your own rectangle and place it in the space provided. Remember, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Take the sides of the small squares to find the length and the breadth of your rectangle. So right here, the length of my rectangle is 8 centimeters and the breadth is 5 centimeters. Now, by counting the sides of each square that forms this rectangle, can you find its perimeter? Yes, indeed, the perimeter is 26 centimeters. That is 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5. I have added the two lengths and the two breadths. Can you find the value of 2 times length plus breadth? Is it not equal to 2 times 8 plus 5? That is 2 times 13. That is nothing but 26 centimeters. Is it not the same answer as perimeter we just found? Can we say that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times its length plus breadth? Now, find the area of your rectangle by counting the area of the squares that make a rectangle. There are 40 squares. Therefore, the area is 40 centimeters square. What is the product of length into breadth? Is it not 8 into 5, which is 40 centimeters square? Can we say the area of a rectangle is the product of its length and breadth? Now, use your square grid to cut a square of any side and paste it in the space provided. So right here we have the side of the square is equal to 8 centimeters. We denote the side as A. Now, can you find the perimeter of this square by counting the sides of the squares that make this big square? Is it not 32 centimeters? What is 4 times the side of 4A? Isn't it 4 into 8, which is also 32 centimeters? So can we say that the perimeter of a square is 4 times its sides? Now, by counting the area of each small square that makes this big square, can you find its area? We have 64 squares in all. So can we say area is equal to 64 centimeters square? What is the square of the side? Or 8 square. Is that not also 64 centimeters square? Can we say the area of a square is the square of its side?